Oh, the old Claddagh, sure it was me grandmother's. She wore it till night-time, gave it to me. All through the long years, she wore it so proudly. 'Twas made where the Claddagh rolls down to the sea. What tales it could tell, trials and of hardship, grand happy days when the whole world could sing. Away with your sorrow, should it bring luck tomorrow? Sure everyone loves it, the old Claddagh. With the crown and the crest to remind us of honor, clasping the heart that God's blessing would bring. A circle of gold always kept us contented, with true love entwined in the old Claddagh. As she knelt at her prayers, thoughts of her dear ones, a soft gentle smile, it would charm a king on her worn hand. As she told me her story, you could see the bright glint of the old Claddagh. One more chorus. When the angels above call me up to heaven, in the heart of the Claddagh their voices will sing, say, away with your sorrow, you'll be with us tomorrow. Be sure and bring with you your old Claddagh.